Hello guys, today I will teach you how to make a budget in Excel so you can keep track of your economy. So let's start off with our salary here. Let's say our salary a month is $2,400. So we're just gonna drag it all the way down and then we're gonna take in dollars like this. Rent, let's say rent is $740. Drag that all the way down. Again, we make sure to actually just do this real quick and then everything is in dollars. Food, we'll take that later because that's relative car. Let's say you have car payments that are $135 each month, and we're just gonna drag that all the way down. And utilities probably gonna be in the neighborhood of $70 a month. Drag that all the way down. And subscriptions, I added this because nowadays so many people have subscriptions that it's actually quite a clever idea to have it under your budget, because if you have Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, Formula One, MLB, whatever you might have. So that's good. So let's just say we have quite a lot, so we just have a $130 here, and we are just gonna drag that all the way down. Now, and food, let's say you live with your girlfriend or you live alone. Let's just say for food, our budget is, let's just say it's gonna be, let's say $100 a week for food. So let's just put $400 a month. And now for savings, let's just take that afterwards. Let's just say we put $200 into our savings each month. And all we have to do is this and this. And then we go minus this and then we do this. And now we can see our deficit is $725. This means our budget is within reach because we actually have $725 on our account each month that isn't used. Let's say, but how do you know it's plus and not minus? That's easy. Let's just, for fun's sake, just do this really quickly, 750. And now we can see it's minus. So it will automatically tell if it's minus or plus as long as you use this equation here. It will automatically tell us. So now we can say that every single month we're putting $200 into our savings account, and we could actually up this, let's just say 500, and we're still making we're still having $425 each month. This could go into, let's say, if you want to eat out or if you want to purchase something else. So we could actually just add one more, let's just say shopping. Oh, maybe I should spell that correctly, shopping. And we can add this, and let's just say $150 each month. And then we of course have to go in here and plus it and drag it all the way down like this. And now you also have shopping. So just say you want some clothes or maybe you want to do something else. All those things you can add as long as you plus it. It could also be called trips or vacation savings or whatever you might have. So that way it's easy to keep track of. And as long as we keep track of our salary and our rent and food, it's quite easy. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.